Here we go. We have a question kth smallest in BST. So you have given a BST and an integer k. Our task is to find the kth smallest element in the BST. If there is no kth smallest element, we need to return -1. So we have given this example and we need to find second smallest element. So first is the first smallest element, then second number is the second smallest element. The answer is 2. In this we need to find fifth smallest element. So the binary search number of nodes in the binary search in number of nodes in the binary tree is less than k, so we don't have fifth 5 nodes, so the answer is -1. In this we need to find the third node. So this is the first node, this is the second node, this is the third node, so the answer is 10. Now let's build the approach. So we need to find fourth node. So pre-order traversal of binary tree will give me the answer in sorted order. So what is pre-order? First left, then left, then left, then this is node, this is my first node, then the right. So this is my first node. Now we just need to find 3 more nodes. So we are again on to this node. This is my second node. We just need to find 2 more nodes. Then move to right, left, left, node. We just need to find 1 more node. Then right, we don't have right. This is my node. Now my k is 0. If my k is 0, I will store the result in my answer. So initially my answer is null. Now my answer becomes 12. Then I will iterate. So there is no point of iterating onwards, but still let's find out. So this is my fourth node. Then my right side will call, then left, then node, then it becomes -1. We just need to iterate till our k is 0. So if our k is 0, we just need to store the current node. Then we move to right. This is again node. This is again becomes -2. This is again right. Then left, then node, then right. So that's how this will work. Now let's take very big k. So what will happen if I take a very big k? So suppose k is 14. So then left, 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 this is your node. We just need to find 13 number node now. Then right side, this is node. We just need to find 12 number node onwards. Then right, left, left, node. We just need to find 11 number node. Then right, this is your node. 10, right, left, node, 9, right, node, 8, right, left, node, 7, then right, then 6. Our answer is still null. If our answer is null, it means if our answer is null, it means we don't have that many number of nodes. We just need to return -1. Let's code this. Code will be very simple. We just need to write a pre-order function. We have a global answer and a global k. We have answer and k. We just need to do pre-order traversal. If our answer is still null, we need to return -1, else answer data. If your node is null, return, then pre-order first call left side, then decrement your k. If your k becomes 0, then store that node, then move to right side. That's it. Let's submit this. I hope it will work. And we have solved this question. Thank you all for watching.